Hi everyone, we're going to talk about how to make a homemade meatloaf in our video. I just want to let everybody know, don't forget to like us and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we really appreciate you. We have a pound of ground chuck here in the bowl. 1 bell pepper. You'll notice that this is yellow, and that's okay. I think you can use any pepper that you want. Normally I use green, but this is the only pepper I have in the fridge, but it's still a bell pepper. 1 onion, and I don't think it really matters what kind of onion you use, as long as it's an onion. 1 egg for binding. 3 slices of bread crumbled up. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce and ketchup. Some spices like black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, parsley flakes, or anything you would like to use in your meatloaf. And about a half a cup of milk, and I'm going to start mixing this with my hands, and I'm going to put it in a meatloaf dish. So now I got the meatloaf in the meatloaf pan, and I actually put ketchup on the top. You don't have to do that. So I'm going to stick it in the oven on 375 and cook it for about an hour. Meatloaf is ready, and it sure does look good.